In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to add Favicon, step by step. So let's get started. On your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and select Add New. Now in the search bar, search for Favicon. Here you will get all the related plugins. We will install this first one from the results. Once installed, click on Activate button. Now go to Settings and select Favicon from here. The Favicon settings page will open. Here it says, do you want to set up your Favicon? Go to Appearance then Favicon. And check this Display Update Notifications. Now go to Appearance and select Favicon. Or you can click here. Now it will take you to the Favicon generation page. Here you need to submit a square picture of 70 by 70. Now open a new tab and search for free clip art. Open free clip art link and from here select the image you like for your Favicon. Open the image and then download it from this download button. Back on WordPress, click on Select from the media library. Now drag and drop the files here to upload. Once done, click on Select button and then Generate Favicon button. So now it's preparing the Favicon editor. Now click on Continue with this picture. Here it is showing how this Favicon will look like. Scroll below and click on this Generate your favicons and HTML code. Now it is creating the Favicon. Once done you can see your Favicon here. Then click on this Check Your Favicon button. So the Favicon checker page will open which is analyzing your site. So this is how you can add Favicon to your site. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WPLearning101.com and start mastering WordPress today.